Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Inshot application, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from this video. So first of all guys, we can click on this PIP option and we have to import the same video as we have imported before. This is the same video and I'm going to click on it. Then we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen. Then we're going to put mask to this clip, so we can click on the mask option and select the shape of the mask you would like to apply, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask. And here we can resize the mask like this and take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. And I'm gonna go with this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover this object. Then we can click on this check mark and drag the mask to cover the unwanted object like this. Okay, now it's done. The object has been removed from my video and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video with Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.